What you doing?
I am making another trellis for our blackberries.
Yay! It's windy.
Very.
And kind of cold.
There's a little nip in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so now I'm going to drill some pilot holes so the wood doesn't split. It's chilly. I need some hoodie in my life. Which is still crazy. It's Mother's Day. It's like May, and
It's freezing.
like, it's not freezing, but it's a little chilly.
It's cold.
It's a lot more fine.
Yay! One more to go.
Yeah. They're actually very easy to assemble. So all we did, which, so kind of cheating, a little more expensive, but it's going to be very durable. So we went and got a 6 foot, I think it's a 6 foot section, a 6 foot section of pre-made fence railing, like exactly,
deck railing.
Well, deck not fence, deck railing, which is exactly what we use to make the railing around our deck here in the back. We just happen to have extra from that project, and so Craig, in his infinite, I don't know, not wisdom, but you're always
Makeshiftedness,
thinking up ways to use things that we've got. He had created those last year and did exactly what we're doing now. And so yesterday we had decided we needed to put up our raspberries and our blackberries. And so we kind of played around with the idea of building something different. We went out there, we looked at it, we're like, let's just try this. And it looks really cool. So today I went to Home Depot and got a whole nother section. And all I did is cut it in half and bought these pre-cut stakes at Home Depot, which you can see are long enough for us to attach and just hammer into the ground. There you go. It's a trellis, and the thing is,
they're pretty sturdy.
well, this is a deck. This is a deck railing, so I mean, this is very sturdy. So we're expecting this to last for a long time, and it's made out of cedar. So that's really good too. So it was a little more expensive, but you know what? I think it's going to stand the test of time.
There's the inspector.
Kirko, Chief Inspector.
Mm-hmm.
And check my Mother's Day text messages. Okay.
Socially distanced Mother's Day.
Socially distanced Mother's Day. Hi, moms.
Hand sanitizer.
Yeah, it's like, it's not gel, it's liquid.
Basically vodka.
It's 80% alcohol. I don't know if
I don't know if I'd drink it.
I don't know if it would be good in your orange juice or not, but it says it meets the CDC's recommended percentage of ethanol for preferred hand hygiene. Let's see what it says. It just says drug facts, active ingredient, ethanol, alcohol, 80%. Of course, it does say for external use only.
Well, if we run out of gasoline, we can just pour it in the tank.
Don't drink it. What's out here is because I just got back from Home Depot, so I took it with me. So whenever I got in the car, I could do the hands.
Yep.
And
all good.
all that fun stuff.
What else did you get? You got us some
Oh, I got plants. So
Sweet potato vines and my favorite.
the lilac. We tried a lilac at our house over in the city, but I don't think we put it in the right place, and we're only there 9 months after we planted it. So this is a little more of a permanent. So we're trying to figure out where to put this.
We'll find a place.
Yeah. This pretty hangy thing, it's a begonia? Yeah, it's a begonia. Okay, so now let's go hammer some shite into the ground.
We've been watching BritBox. Now he's saying shite.
A lot of BritBox.
He's saying shite a lot now.
Well, I also don't think that that's I don't think that this
YouTube friendly.
No, I think that's YouTube friendly.
Yeah, it is. So here's what we did yesterday.
Yeah. This is what we did yesterday. We cleaned it all up, and attached them, and Craig saw this really cool thing that he likes, and it was kind of trying to make them create a loop, and ironically, we got it to kind of start working, and then ironically, we got these cheap little things to kind of put around them last year that did not work. Waste of money. But we took the loops and repurposed them here to create kind of an arch for them to kind of mold on. So,
and then kind of zip or twisty tie them to it, and it keeps them in a nice structure. And as they grow, you just kind of train them to stay on that arch, and then you end up easily being able to reach in and get your raspberries.
Yeah, so we'll see how we're going to do the same thing with the blackberries here.
It's kind of a modified version of what we saw on YouTube. We're just doing it our way. Yeah,
kind of doing it our way. So now the decision is, Craig,
which way do they face?
On the back side here. Do we want to put those on this side here or on the outside here?
I'd put them on the outside so that you can just walk through the middle and pick strawberries or pick berries. I mean,
we agree. So. And most of y'all that know me know that I'm like the real OCD kind of guy. I have a lot more OCD in me than Craig, so I need to make sure that these are kind of lined up across from each other.
I think everybody would do that. Most people.
I want to set them kind of close.
Yeah.
You ready? Okay. So here we go. We're going to hammer this into the ground. You have to kind of go back and forth. Otherwise, it's not going to hammer in properly. Okay, clips. There you go.
Gently.
Very gently.
Give me whatever.
Oh, they're right here. Okay, that one's done.
Yeah.
There's this.
I think that's naturally going to go up there. Yep.
Going this way. Okay, so I need a twisty. Yeah, thank you. I'm using and I'm putting these into it.
Yeah. Keeping them all kind of together.
Right.
And then you'll have to come back out here like in a couple weeks when they start getting longer tendrils and retrain them up there. And we could always put string between them if we need to.
Here's a long one.
Yeah.
So this one's going to go
Up that side.
this side. Okay. So I've got.
Right.
It's a circle.
So this will create a structure for it to grow on. And if you keep training it and keep kind of just gently attaching it, we used the wrap method versus a tie method to keep it from damaging the plant. And this is a plant wire, coated plant wire that you can get at any of your local hardware stores, gardening centers. And we're just kind of training them up, and then every week or so come out here and kind of guide things through, or put a few more wraps on to keep it trained. And then when you're ready to get your blackberries or raspberries, whichever plant it is, you have a nice open, just reach right in and grab them.
So your husband's not running over all the tendrils with the mower.
I know, that happens.
I'm teasing you.
That's a real thing. Struggle is real.
And then we have the lone blueberry bush.
We had two and it died.
Yeah, the other one didn't make it, but I think we're going to get another one. That was one thing I forgot today, but I think we're going to get another one and put it over here.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We're learning as we go.
It's just fun. It's about fun and
Hobby
to do and hobby, and I enjoy growing fresh fruit and vegetables and stuff for us. We got a freezer full of peppers and stuff from the harvest last year, so
if we get a few raspberries, then we're happy.
Yeah, it's more about the fun and making it look nice.
Yeah.
We exist to create beautiful places for that dog to hang out.
Mm-hmm.
So if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life.